Welcome back, everybody. It's Bastwardo here. Good morning, good morning. And as always, you can call me Basil. Today we're back with pack opening number 19. And of course, because it is a Friday, we're going to be doing 2 packs. So, without further ado, let's give these a little shake and a sniff. Perfect. Start with this guy here. All right. And we got one of the heroes we do not have. And no way. Another Kojo and Buddha. Brassbug Hive. Mana Eruption. A Lyra Thespian. Mana Reaping. Kakoba Legion Commander. Alright. Another Katagaran Alchemist. We have a full set of those now. Bountiful Meadow. Ouroboros Ink Caster. I think we're getting any more rares now. What do we got? No gold. Rare Athena. Nice. Rare Tooth Fairy. I think we might have a Bravos rare coming up here. We've got, a rare Mulan. Nice. And then a token Brassbug. Alright, awesome. So we'll have a look at those here in a second. I will see you on the flip side. Oh, wait. No, I won't. Because we still have a second pack. You really thought I forgot, didn't you? Alright, let's get into this guy. Ready? Oh, I guess you could already see. Kesha and Taru. Gian Assembly Overseer. Atlas. Lyra Scald. Meditation Training. Moon Monolith Legate. The Baba Yaga. I think we're getting close to our rares here. Kana. Ooh, Bravos, always nice to see. Oh, Kappa. Oop, put one upside down. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, 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 oh! A unique Coniferal Cone Man. Alright, we'll take a closer look at him in a sec here. Almost got uniques in every fashion except Bravos. Ortus Cadets. And another Sneaser Shroom. Cool. We got back here. Is it a foiler? No, it's an Ortus Recruit. Alright, so I will catch you on the flip side. Alright, and we're back. So, let's see, we're going to start with Akesha. So you can tap her and get the After You, which you can only activate this if you are the first player. End of your turn as if you were, end your turn as if you had played a card. You may still play cards later this day. So you kind of get to pass without passing. passing. Now, I didn't realize it was only if you were going first, so I mean, that does kind of limit the ability, but still, I mean, being able to pass without passing kind of seems like a little OP. And of course, our Kojo and Buddha. We've seen this guy a lot. Quite a lot, actually. I mean, we have 4 of them now. Then we've got a Geon the Assembler and a Brass Bug Hive. So let's get Geon up here. So nothing too crazy. This material does not seem to be affected by gravity. By harnessing the properties of the aerolith, we could create flying ships and cities and fly close to the clouds. It's Geon the Assembly Overseer. And our Brass Bug Hive. Played from anywhere, create a Brass Bug 222 robot token in a target expedition. At noon, create a Brass Bug 222 robot token in target expedition. That's not bad. Not bad at all. And then we've got our Atlas. We've seen him before. We now have 5 of them. Gigantic is this big thing. For 5 mana, you're getting a 3/3/3 that reaches across both expeditions. Kind of cool. But also kind of boring. And our Mana Eruption. What's our first one of those? So, discard one of your mana orbs. If you do, discard target character or permanent. There are better cards to do that with. And let's see here. Lyra Scald, of course. We've seen Scald a few times, especially in the common. That's 4 of them we have now from none. So there we go. And then we have our Thespian. Now I think this is only our 2nd Thespian. Oh, I should just throw an S in there. There we go. Yeah, it's only our 2nd Thespian. So played from anywhere. If you have 3 or more base statistics of 0 among characters you control, I gain 1 boost. And meditation training. We've got target character with hand cost 3 or less gains anchored. That's kind of the thing with them in the deck, right? It's the whole anchoring of mana reaping. Is that our first one? Oh, 2nd one. So put target character or permanent in its owner's mana zone. So, I mean, kind of an interesting card. It's removal, right? But, I mean, you're kind of feeding your opponent mana if you use it on them. And then, I mean, if you're going to use it, I hope you've kind of got a whole bunch of little creatures. And it's just kind of a way to, I don't know, just seems like not great. Not great. And our Monolith Legate. Let's have a look at her. When my expedition fails to move forward during dusk, sabotage after rest. It just sounds angry. But for 2 mana, I mean, that's actually kind of cool. Especially if they've set up a play with like a Sun Wukong or something. You could kind of shut that down. They think, oh, I'm going to be going first so I can play Sun Wukong now and get him out again. And you just shut that down. And then, oh, hey, look, there's Kokoba right there. So, played from anywhere, if you control 3 or more other characters, I gain 2 boosts. Not a bad card for 3. It'll become a 4/4 if you kind of get it off right. And of course, we've got our Baba Yaga. How many is that now? Oh, it's our first one actually. So, from hand, draw a card. And then we'll come back to the Isba. Actually, I'm not sure we pulled that in this. Yeah, we'll see. And again, there's our Khadgar Alchemist. So that's from hand. I gain 2 boosts. Well, over here. And then we're looking at the Drakena. We've already looked at that recently. From hand again anchored, Luna Staple. Meadows. Another one we've seen recently. We actually have a full set of those now, which is cool. Tap, the next plant you play costs, or this turn costs 1 less. Good old Kappa. The lore with this guy is just so fun, and the fact that they included him. I don't understand how this picture is kind of relevant. I mean, sort of. They've got the art already. I'm just not sure. He should be kind of sitting near a stream. Just feels out of place. But, I mean, they've got his bowl of water and everything, and long, lanky arms. Very fun. We'll get into some more stuff, but with Kappa, nothing too exciting. Just 4 mana for a 4/4/5. Lore-wise, though, super fun character. Kind of strange. So, now we get to look at this unique. Alright, perfect. And we've actually got a nice spread of cards. So, let's see here. For this guy, played from hand, you may discard a card from your reserve. If you do, I gain Anchored. And, oh sorry, that's played from anywhere. And then played from hand, target character switches expeditions. It's actually kind of fun for 4 mana. 4 mana, 3/3/3. That's pretty neat, because I mean, I played from anywhere, I gain Anchored. So it kind of sucks that you have to discard a character this time around. That's kind of the... But being able to switch expeditions, that's kind of cool, because you could kind of mess with your opponent's board state. So that's still pretty cool. I'll take it. I will take it. I mean, I guess I have no choice. I come out of the pack and I'm stuck with it. Alright, there's our rare Mulan. Let's see. Played from reserve, I lose Fleeting, and she's a 2/1/2/2. Okay, so her cost is down, her power is down a little bit as the rare, but almost kind of makes her more playable. Like that. The rare Mulan's not bad. Our Mortis Cadets, we've seen these guys a lot. Oh. So, played from anywhere, create an Ortis Recruit 1/1/1 soldier token in your other expedition. So normally it's my expedition, then it's your other expedition. So that's pretty cool. Oh yes, a rare Tooth Fairy. I like the art on that. That's really nice. Some nice colors. Very glowy. So, played from hand, Sabotage. Love it. Good old card removal. And we've got Athena. Played from hand, if you control 2 or more other characters, I gain 2 boosts. And played from reserve, if you control 2 or more other characters, I lose Fleeting. So that's pretty cool. If you could get Seasoned on there, that might actually be kind of fun. And then a rare Sneezer Shroom. So, played from anywhere, I gained Anchored. At noon, I gained 1 boost. What's the difference there? So, so the standard common Sneezer Shroom only gains Anchored when played from anywhere. So this guy getting a boost is pretty cool. Still the same cost and everything, so he'll become a 2/2/2. And then we have our Ouroboros Akecaster. I feel like that kind of got out of place, but let's go have a look at her anyway. Alright, so when I go to reserve from the Expedition Zone, you may return another card from your reserve to your hand. Oh. Well, that is actually kind of cool. Ooh, interesting. Alright, awesome. Thank you so much for joining me on this Friday, and I hope those 2 packs brought a little bit of joy to your morning. As always, this is Bastuardo out.